thought I'd just come and see how things are going.
How are you prepared to your food today?
This is absolute shit. You expect me to pay 15 quid for this and eat it? I'll end up with food poisoning.
I'm so sorry about that. Would you like it remade?
Absolutely not. I'll be getting a refund. Thank you very much.
Please tell me that's the only thing that's been refunded today.
We've only had 3 orders that haven't had a complaint.
Out of how many?
16.
What the actual fuck do you think you're doing?
Whoa, what's your issue?
What do you think my issue is? Have you seen the amount of complaints we've been getting? Look, you can't keep doing this. You're going to send us under.
My food is amazing. I've been doing it for 15 years. Customers are just fussing.
You're actually deluded.
What are you going to do about it?
You're fired.
You're going to regret this.
Gary, how do you feel about taking the role as the new chef? You've got to get this order finished, Gary. People are getting impatient.
What the hell do you think I'm trying to do? Being slow and person.
I know you're trying to make it as good as possible for a good first impression, but time is money in this business.
Alright, I'm sorry, I understand. I'll try and make it quicker for the next checks coming, okay?
Forgot to mention we've got a free Critic coming tomorrow. I think it could help the restaurant get back on the map and save us.
Oh, really? Okay, alright, I'll see you tomorrow.
Thanks for today. I'm so excited. Today's the day we can finally get the up. How are you feeling, Gary?
Yeah, really good.
Let me know if you need anything, as always, going to go as smooth as possible.
Okay.
Thank you for coming in today. Can we make the drink?
No, that would ruin my palate and my skin therapy.
Of course not. What would you like to sit? What can we get to eat?
Surprise me.
She's made a choice.
Alright, what is it?
A surprise.
Oh yeah, that's just fine. Hang on, mate, I've got an idea. So, what did you think of the food?
You'll find out in my review.
Without a doubt, I can say that what the Blacksmith Arms served me that day not only massively exceeded my expectations, but also gave me a feeling I haven't felt in a long time. Enjoying food, this restaurant will greatly prosper if they continue to serve that same quality of food I had. 5 stars.